Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. To apply a payment in the payment journal, there are two ways to do it. First, one-to-one payment using applies to document number. To do this, navigate to the payment journal from the home page or use the Tell Me search bar to search for payment journals. In the payment journal, create a new line. After creating the payment line, scroll to the right or find the Applies to Doc Number field. Select the three dots to choose a document. Find the document you want the payment to apply to, then select it. Click OK, then Post to complete the process.